everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy. I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I'm going to show you how to create this very simple and easy watercolor card. Alright, so this is just watercolors on there, and I'm going to show you how to make and create this. I am using the stamp set from the Melissa Esplin line. That's in our core catalogue at the moment. It's available until the end of August. Let's get moving on to making our card today. Alright, so I'm using a pre-made card base again because they're super simple. I really enjoy using these. These are so much easier because they're pre-scored already. So I use these as my card base. Okay, now I've got a piece of cold pressed watercolor paper here. So, and this is 4 by 5.5 inch. Alright, now these are our watercolor paints, and I've got my watercolor brush, and the water is in the barrel. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm first going to do is add a bit of water into one of these little holes. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, now you can just pick whatever colour. I mean, here I picked like an aqua green and a pink, but we might do different colours today. Maybe we'll make it a bit manly and have a nice dark green. And just grab your brush, and then we'll just start popping up there. So that's the green, and to complement the green, maybe we'll do, how about an orange? I'll bring in the orange and bring it over the top. So that's essentially that little bit. Alright, so now we need to wait till it dries, so you can't stamp on this until it's completely 100% dry. So I'm going to pause the video here, let that dry, and we'll come back and then we'll finish the card off. Okay, I'm back. Now this is completely dry. I mean, obviously it's not completely flat, but that is okay, because you know, once you stick it on your card base, it will go flat. Alright, okay, so now we're going to stamp the happy birthday sentiment on there. Now I am going to use my intense black ink for this because it'll work a lot better. Now with this, you want to kind of hold it down a little bit longer so that the ink seeps into the paper. There's that part done. So super simple. Alright, now we'll bring in our card base. Okay, we're going to embellish with some silver glitter gems, just to add a little bit of bling and a little bit of sparkle. And that is it. This is my super simple and quick watercolor card. Yes, I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.